Guys, so here we have the two Supra diffs. The first diff here is the AO1A, and the diff to the right hand side here is the AO1B diff. So the right hand side diff is a one-way diff, and the left hand side diff is a Torsen diff. Alright, so a good indication of what diff your car has stock, you just have a look at this plate here. So as you can see, it's got a W58 gearbox and an AO1A, which is an Open Diff stock. So some SZs actually come out with an AO1B, but you just have to look at the plate here and just make sure so you don't go buy a diff for nothing. So there you see the AO1A.
Here we're going to take both of them apart, side by side, and see the true difference of both of them, side by side. Okay, so this is the open diff. As you can see, all the gears are open inside. And here you can see the Torsen diff, where it's closed up inside. So this one's a Torsen, and this one is the open diff. Here you can see the gears inside the cage. And this one is the open. So that's how you could tell which diff you have.
Or with the numbers.
So the only way you can tell you've got a Torsen apart from an open diff is just by pulling this cover off and looking inside it. If you turn this one wheel, the other wheel still goes the other side, just like an open diff wheel, as you can see here.
The Torsen's got extra gears in it.
Yeah. And that's pretty much the only way you can tell, because the Torsen needs load to work. And that's the difference between both diffs. And we put them in this Supra.
Nico, put that cover back on. So you put the silicone on like this.
That's it.
It's actually quite hard to tell from the outside of the diff because they both basically look identical. Even if you can look at these plates, they're all basically, you know, blacked out, so you can't really see anything. But yeah, the only way you can really tell is by opening the diff up and having a look.
So all recommended for the new Torsen Diff is 80W90. We've gone with the nylon.
Easier to put it on now.
Easier to put on while it's out of the car. It takes about 1.3 litres.
So easy. Look at that. It's so easy. Thanks, Nylon.
And after the oil's in, we'll put the diff back into the car.